Packaging for me is definitely a 9 out of 10. I really do like how simple and precise and definitely to the point it is. It doesn't have those quirky designs that some other brands might have on the back. It's just very simple, which I do value. I do value simplicity, and yeah, so this is the first one that I just took out, and I can definitely say that I am already in love with this design. I love all the small details that's embedded, and this little tag definitely stands out. I love this design so much, and I'm so happy that I brought it, even though I was a bit reluctant on getting a size 6. So hopefully these will fit me. I really like the back. I feel like it has a lot of support. It provides a lot of support, and just feeling the inside, the material feels very, very comfortable and quite soft. So can't wait to give this a go, you guys. Let's see how this turns out.